a quick hello and show off our new super duper all singing safety eyes that meet all the current legislation. So they're all just about to get them ready to go on the website. But what we've done is we've done a quick tension test in-house. So you can see all my trials here. We've tested one of every size. So I'm going to do a real quick demonstration on how we do this. We've used a length of ribbon. I've poked a hole through it and put the eye through. I've used a decent size one so you can see what I'm doing. I've put another layer of ribbon. The grosgrain ribbon works best just to give it extra strength. The first ones we did, it just literally pulled the eye through. You can see it's still intact. It just pulled through the ribbon. So I've got me extra layers of ribbon on here just to give it extra strength as you're pushing it through. So I've got one ribbon to hold, one ribbon that I'm going to put on my hook to hang it up on the weights. And I'm going to use this. This is a really useful tool if you're putting a lot of eyes on. All it does is it helps me push the back on nice and squarely to get your eye, as it should be, nice and snug on. So just use whichever size hole is relevant. Nice, good, strong push down. You hear that pop on? So that's your eye on nice and securely, as you can see there. And now what I'm going to do is I've got me, here's one I made earlier, my bucket ready with the 13.2 kilogram weight.
9.2.
Oh, 9.2, not 13.2. I don't do the technical bit. I do the deciding what we have. So I've got a bucket filled with all the weights, and you can see I've used a piece of ribbon to hold it on, hook it on. That's me holding the eye, and there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they're all nice and securely on there, and we've done one of every size just to make sure. If you've got any questions on how to do this test, it's not a problem to drop Paul a message because he's obviously the one with the technical stuff. Bye.